Anyway, I have a statement to Best Pills. Arnel Guerrera G. Castillo. You know, Best Pills, Arnel G. Castillo. Even you, Gina Sejo. Can just both of you just stop making a bomb joke in social media? Do you know there is a law here in the Philippines that is called anti-bomb joke law, or also known as Presidential Decree 1727. Oh, bomb joke is prohibiting in the law. Don't both of you, Best Pills, Arnel Castillo, Jean Asedio, why can't you just stop making bomb joke? Even you, Best Pills, Arnel G. Castillo, stop making act of lasciviousness and rape joke. Even to Teacher May Tiburcio, Shania Kiana, Teacher Marisa Conche, even Teacher Freddy Fimas Alabsilos, Teacher Labdin Villasor, Teacher Isa Ivancula, even Michelle D. and Paula Nunez and Amalia Zakirova, and including Drita Ziri and Mina Suchoy, those Miss Earth title holders. Can you just stop harassing them, Best Pills? Arnel Castillo, even Teacher Evelyn Caja, can you just please stop harassing her? You know, Best Pills, Arnel G. Castillo, there is a Anti-Safe Space Act. However, that is a cybercrime. You don't know what is a cybercrime eh. As I was told by Teacher Desi, the teacher of Rafa Soko, she says to me, rape joke or act of lasciviousness, if you say that in social media, that is a cybercrime. Oh, you know that, Best Pills. Arnel Guerrera Castillo. You know that is a cybercrime. I mean, I never make a fake account on Facebook. Oh, I apologize to Teacher Gio Malana, Teacher Vince Ramos, and before I apologize Rafa Soko. Oh, when I made a fake account on Facebook, I apologize to them. Oh, that is my consequence. However, I never want to make a fake account on Facebook because that is a cybercrime. And you know what, Best Pills, Arnel G. Castillo, you have to stop making act of lasciviousness through online, through social media, even in Facebook. That is a cybercrime. Even you, Gina Sejo, can you just please stop making act of lasciviousness in social media? You're acting like Victor Martin Soriano, aka Harbatera. Oh, even Victor Martin Soriano, who's making wiretapping against the TVJ logo. How dare you, Victor Martin Soriano, even you, Best Pills, Arnel Castillo, even Gina Sejo. And not even just that, there is a new enemy, Angelo Bonsa. When are three of you are gonna stop? Gina Sejo, Best Pills, aka Arnel Castillo, and even Victor Martin Soriano. Kailan ba kayo titigil? That's why. When are three of you how to stop? If three of you don't really how to stop, I should put three of you in my enemy list. Together with Rodelio Daguman, Anthony Solares, even Jeffrey Beltran, Daramate Tuason, Anyo Santos Dumaloog, and eventually Ivy Montalayola. Do you want to be like them? Best Pills, Arnel Castillo, Gina Sejo, and Victor Martin Soriano. Please, three of you, just stop with this bomb joke. You know, Best Pills, Arnel Castillo, I had enough about your fucking bomb joke. Bomb joke, it's illegal here in the Philippines. We have a law. We have a presidential decree 1727, which was signed by Ferdinand E. Marcos Sr. in 1981. Bomb joke is not funny, Best Pills. Arnel Castillo, and you might be violated the Cybercrime Prevention Act of 2012. You see that, Best Pills? Arnel Castillo, Jean Asedio, and Victor Martin Soriano. Three of you should be facing the court in Davao. Look, in Davao, you can face the court. Even if you find any kind of lawyer, even Attorney Arceo or Attorney Joel Ferrer, that uncle of David Gill, or even Attorney Basa in Caloocan, you cannot find them a lawyer. You find them a true lawyer who were passing the board exam. Ask them. Like Joseph Maspina said to me, maghanap kayo ng abogado. This is what I say to Best Pills, Arnel Castillo, Gina Sejo, and even Victor Martin Soriano.